All right, today we've got a piece of faux gold. Okay, it's actually pure brass. It's a block of pure brass, okay, to simulate a block of 500 grams of gold, 999.9. Yeah, this is pretty much just a collectible item, almost like a shelf piece, made by the Baumel Collection Inc. Company, 1980. Okay, so yeah, I mean it's got a felt bottom to it, kind of nice. It's just kind of like almost like a conversation piece. All right, we're gonna start by pulling this backing off. Okay, it's pretty beat up and it's torn over here, so we're gonna replace that. Something nice. We're gonna save the tag. We're gonna get a heat gun on that. All right, we got that cleaned up. All the felt and paper off of that. Just going to hit this lightly with some sandpaper. Just going to take a straight over the buffing wheel because I don't think there's anything on here that... It's just a light coat of... I'd say this is varnish, and also, and you can see maybe where it's rubbed off, and also just years and years of just residue. Yeah. Alright, so we got that polished out. That looks really, really good. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna put a new backing on this. Okay, so the backing was pretty decrepit, and so we're gonna go ahead and put a new backing on there. And so I found a nice piece of red leather. At this point, we're gonna get out one of my favorite products, the barge. Love the barge bear. All right, so we're gonna coat the bottom of this ingot, if you will, with some barge. First, we gotta open up the barge. The barge is stuck. Sometimes I get sloppy with the barge, and I get a little on the lid. Can't get it off. When using the barge, always want to put a piece of scrap paper down. Because we do a lot of leather work, you don't necessarily have to do this, but I like to always burnish the edges of leather. Okay, it's not really like I said, necessary on this, but I do it. You know, I like to do it. I take a little beeswax, I hit the edge. Then you could just take a scrap piece of leather and just rub it along the edge. It just creates a little bit of heat. So what happens is that beeswax melts and just kind of seals that edge. Take the paper off, the tape. We've got a beautiful, beautiful piece here. Just going to clean up the bottom. Just using a soft nylon bristle brush. Oh yeah, this is really a beautiful, beautiful piece. Look at that. Love the way that came out. Really looks great. It's like a mirror. Show you the flip side of this. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this short video. The only thing left now is for me to go upstairs and find a place for this on my own shelf. Actually, I'm gonna go upstairs and have my wife find a spot for this on the shelf. All right, she does the decorating upstairs. I do the decorating downstairs. Okay,